Welcome to eVision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. eVision provide job in IT MNCs.
Hi, I'm Kunj Patel. I am from Pandharpur, and I completed my BTech in Swedish College of Engineering, Pandharpur, in 2022, and in stream Electronics and Telecommunication, that is ENDC. And I heard the company name like eVision, and eVision is very having experience trainers in their respective domains. I took the online classes on the time as per the schedules, and gives the answer to each and every questions during the live sessions. Live assignments and projects are well and designed, and eVision also provide live classes recording videos, and they provide lifetime access to LMS portals. And I am very grateful that I am selected in WIPRO with salary offered 3 lakh LPA, means 3 lakh per annum. And apart from this, excellent support team they have, and the support team solves each problems and each query, and also takes the one-to-one live sessions for the query if needed. And thank you so much for eVision and their team. Thank you.